Dear students, we studied yesterday countable and uncountable nouns. So now over here we would be, we would study rules for countable and uncountable nouns. When we say rules for uncountable and countable nouns, over here we want to discuss how these nouns are used in a sentence. Whenever we are writing singular countable nouns, we have to write an article or determiner before them. When we say an article, a, and, the, or a determiner, like in this example, in the first line in the A sentence, I have lost a book. I have an apple. The boy is standing in the door. Boy is countable noun and the door is also countable noun, and we wrote the before them when we want to specify the boy and we want to specify the door. Or we have to write a determiner to whom that countable noun belongs. I have lost my book. The book in my bag. You see, the book is an article. The is an article when we say the book, and my bag, my is the determiner. So whenever we have to write singular countable nouns in a sentence, we must check that they must have an article or determiner before the noun. Uncountable nouns cannot take an article because when we cannot count a thing, we cannot write the article or determiner. There are 4 books in the bag. 4 is a determiner. We cannot say there are 4 water in the bag. There are 4 rice in the bag. There is a water in the bag. There is a rice in the bag. It would be wrong. So uncountable nouns cannot write an article, a or an. Example, there is sugar in the box. There is water in the lake. Although uncountable nouns do not have plural forms, we have read that uncountable nouns do not have plural forms. Only countable nouns, whether abstract or concrete, have singular and plural forms. Uncountable nouns do not have singular plural forms. We can use units of measurement to refer the quantity of uncountable items, like we bought 3 liters of milk, 2 loaves of bread, a sachet of shampoo, 5 kilograms of rice. These are the examples of concrete uncountable nouns. We have another example. He asked for a glass of water, 3 cups of coffee, and 2 cups of chips. So, you see, we have to add the units of measurement. And abstract countable nouns even do not have the units of measurements.